Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell Bitcoin on Poloniex. The first thing to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device, and if prompted, just go ahead and log into your account. From the home screen, go ahead and tap on the wallet icon that is at the bottom corner of the screen. And then it takes you to this window where you have deposit/buy. Click on the deposit/buy button. And once you're here, you see a couple of options here, including deposit, B2B, and buy crypto. Select buy crypto. And that opens you up to this window where you can now sell your Bitcoin on Poloniex. So just wait a couple of minutes for the, okay, so it's here. Now you have two tabs, buy crypto and sell crypto. Select sell crypto because that is what we want to do. We don't want to buy, we want to sell. There where you have pay, select the cryptocurrency in there. Now because we want to sell Bitcoin, from this drop down menu, select BTC. The BTC option, enter the amount of BTC that you want to sell. Now I don't have an available BTC amount of BTC, so this is pretty much not going to work. Now over here where you have your fiat currency, you're going to select the fiat currency that you want it to be in, either euros or USD, because these are the supported fiat currencies at the moment. Maybe I'm limited because I have not verified my account, but let's say you verified your account, you can have more options, or you may likely not have more options. So you're selling Bitcoin to receive USD. Select your payment method, view your other details, and check this box that is next to I have read and agreed to terms of use, and select submit. Poloniex will definitely process your orders, and you should now see your Bitcoin using in the account that you have specified in the payment method section. So check your Poloniex and you see that your Bitcoin has been sold, and you have been able to receive the fiat currency in either of your, or just check any of your payment methods, and you see that your account balance will be updated in the fiat currency that you selected. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.